Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and preparing it for targeted field updates. First, save a backup. Mistakes are faster to fix when you have one. Once saved, toggle field codes with Alt plus F9 so you can see the underlying instructions rather than the results. This reveals IF, ref, doc property, and other fields. Make sure content controls aren't locked. Now, identify the first field you need to change, because editing the visible result won't persist unless you edit the code. Now you edit the field codes with attention to syntax, because Word evaluates them literally. Right-click a simple field and choose Edit Field for properties. For nested or conditional fields, press Alt plus F9 and change the code text directly, preserving quotes and // switches. Use Ctrl plus F to search for field names like author or merge field to apply consistent edits across the document. Once changes are complete in a region, collapse codes with Alt plus F9 to check visible output and prepare to update the results. You finish by updating every field so results reflect your edits. Press Ctrl plus A to select the whole document, then hit F9 to refresh fields. This updates TOCs, cross-references, formulas, and date fields. Make sure headers, footers, and text boxes are included by checking each story range if a field didn't update. If something looks wrong, toggle Alt plus F9 to view codes and inspect for syntax errors or missing references. Fix the code. Collapse again, then F9. That troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.